Hey guys, Joseph or josephlevesquecfa, whatever you want to call me. Today I'm bringing you a little bit of holiday cheer with a super cool game. The game today that we're going to be playing is called... Wait, what is it? I think it's called... We're going to call it the candy cane fishing, because here's how you play the game. What you do is you stick a peppermint stick or a candy cane in your mouth, and you have this pile of ones, and then you take the candy cane and hook it, and then you hook it and then make your own pile. So we're going to call it candy cane fishing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this with ready, set, go! Ready, set, go! No way to do it. Okay, I'm fine. Oh. Hot. I found a way. It's a tie! Whoa.
I almost got 2 in a row with my wrapper.
I have to cheat. I mean, how are you supposed to get them like this? I mean, look. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas. And I hope that you keep on sticking around my channel. Be sure to subscribe and all that other stuff. And if you enjoyed this game, be sure to let me know. So you guys have a great Christmas and a happy holidays.